Audi and Volkswagen of Newton operate on the core belief that a superior customer...
Welcome to Audi VW Newton.com once again, your pre-owned superstore here, out here in Newton, New Jersey. Today's vehicle, 2007 Pontiac Solstice. Hey, summer's here. Let's go. Get in this nice little compact turbo and go for a ride. I'm telling you, automatic transmission. This thing is very, very fun to try. It has the Ecotec 4-cylinder VVT, variable valve timing, double overhead cam. So you have plenty of nice boost when you need it on this 5-speed automatic. And another cool thing about this little car is rear-wheel drive. Similar to its cousin, the Saturn Sky. Another hot little car. Definitely sharp. And you know what? It's really nice and compact, so you know, you don't have to worry about parking or anything. You could fit anywhere. And 27,000 miles. That's absolutely nothing on this vehicle. Has the GXP embroidery, and look at the white stitching on all the seats. Very, very sharp. Okay, let's take a look at the window sticker. Another great thing. Look at the gas mileage too, 2129. Probably you can get a little bit better than that. Leather seating surfaces. We have air conditioning. Wow, pretty expensive, 960 bucks. Tranny was $850. The chrome wheel is really nice. The 18-inch, $545, and 6 CD was $495. Has the input jack also, and oh, and monsoon stereo. Good audio system. XM satellite service, $200. Rear spoiler. Look at that. That was $275. Keep in mind, there's a GXP too. We also have, what do we have? Total options were $4,500. Total cost of this vehicle was $31,000 and change, like $600. So, just really, really cool. Really nice little car, and fun to drive too. Has a little storage capability there. Cup holders. Looks great with the top up or down. It's pretty unique how you got to put the top up and down. It is manual, but very, very easy to do. Let's go to the end. Also another cool way of opening it. Very European. Here's your Ecotec. Takes the air right in from the front. You have your intercooler pipes coming down. Your batteries right here. You can jump it from here. And there's your turbo. Take a look in that driver's seat. I'll tell you, the chrome wheels on this car are in excellent shape. There's no pitting, chips, scrapes. This definitely looks like a garage kept sort of vehicle, and it should be, really. Another thing I like about the car, stability control. Look when you first start it up too. I like when the gauges, they almost like reset to themselves. Okay, let's take a look. Automatic headlights. You have the steering wheel controls, volume controls. Here's your convertible top. Now keep in mind, I'm using one hand to do this. So now what you have to do is, now you have some room back here to put your things. You have a glass back. It's also nice. You know, you have to actually lock that in that way. And then this side also. And then all it is the one clamp on that side. In the middle, rather. And you're done. That's it. It's locked. mirrors. Put your windows up. That's it, you're ready to go. Like I said, peppy too. If you need more information, please give us a call here at AudiVWNewton.com to see all of our pre-owned inventory. Visit us on the web.
Follow us on Facebook and visit us in person at 34 Hampton Road, Newton, New Jersey. Or call us at 877-372-3209.